Hello friends, this question is related to ranking test under logical reasoning. Such type of questions are very common where you are asked to compare certain parameter among some persons or items. Parameter means that may be score, as you see in this particular question. Parameter may be height among persons. Parameters may be weight among persons or certain items, or maybe something else also. The thing is that these parameters are compared among certain persons or items, and you are asked to find out the person who scored the highest or the lowest, or whose height is the most or the tallest, and who is the shortest, or you may be asked to find out the items which is the heaviest or the lightest. Let us try out the question which will make the picture clear. Dia scored more than Aryan. Farhan scored less than Lalit but more than Rohit. Lalit's score is equal to that of Priya. Aryan scores more than Priya. Who scores the highest? Who scored the highest? So at first instance the question may seem very confusing to you, but what I would suggest you to please arrange the statements in a certain form that you can understand, and that will make the things clearer and you will arrive at the answer very easily. Let us see what I am trying to tell you. The first sentence reads, Dia scored more than Aryan. We'll convert this statement into a short understandable code. Dia, I will not write the full name, and I also suggest you to do that because in real exam time is very less. You have to concentrate on how to do things faster. So Dia scored more than Aryan. This is something we got from the first statement. Coming to the second statement, Farhan scored less than Lalit but more than Rohit. So again I will convert this statement to our understandable code. Says Farhan scored less than Lalit. So Farhan will come under Lalit but more than Rohit. Rohit will come below Farhan. So these things should be understandable to you. Because Farhan scored less than Lalit but more than Rohit. And then the next statement, Lalit's score is equal to that of Priya. Lalit score, this is Lalit score is equal to that of Priya. So we can write Lalit equal to Priya. What we are doing, we are putting Lalit and Priya at the same platform or at the same level, you can say. The last line says Aryan scores more than Priya. Aryan scores more than Priya. So here this is Priya and Aryan score is more than Priya. So we can say Aryan is over the level of Priya. So ultimately with Aryan is more than Priya, Aryan is more than Priya, then Aryan is also above Lalit, Aryan is also above Farhan, Aryan is also above Rohit. So these two structures we have made from the given statements. Now here you can see this is Aryan and here you can see this is also Aryan. So if Dia scored more than Aryan, then obviously Dia will come above Aryan. So these two coded figures can be written like this: Dia, then Aryan. You can see Dia is above Aryan, so we can put Dia above Aryan. Then comes Lalit, and at the same level comes Priya, then Farhan, then comes Rohit. So this is the complete structure we have arrived by following the question line by line. Now you can easily say who scored the highest and who scored the lowest. So the answer to this particular question is, as because the question asked is who scored the highest, the answer is Dia. Here in this particular question you are given some statements, and from the statements you have to infer who scored the highest, and you have coded the statements into understandable write-ups like this, and then you have inferred this particular structure: Dia, Aryan, Lalit equal to Priya, Farhan and Rohit, and then you have concluded at the right answer. So this is very easy, may seems confusing, and same type of structures or same type of question may be asked with respect to some other parameters also, where you may be asked to compare scores, heights, weights, or maybe prices or anything else, and then you are asked to find out the highest, lowest, tallest, shortest, heaviest, lightest, costliest, etc. So you should be able to convert the questions to understandable code like this, and the questions are very easy. Pay attention. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you. If our videos and website www.decodemonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.